Hello, ma'am. It's good having you here with us. Can you please introduce yourself to our audience?
Yeah, sure. So I'm Neha Sawant and I'm working for Ashland India Private Limited, and I have more than 15 years of regulatory professional experience. However, I just moved into the chemical management regulatory, and I was really curious, and with the upcoming policies into India with regards to chemicals, that's how I'm here today attending this
Okay,
conference.
okay. So that's good to know. So, how did you came to know about GPC?
Okay, so a year back, for a year back now that I know GPC, and because I started working on agrochemical regulatory framework and was just trying to know how it works in India. And recently I've also started working on to other chemical management aspects, be it hazard classification or SDS and all the related activities. So I have connected with GPC and have also attended few of the webinars which were quite impressive and very useful from a perspective where I'm at a beginner stage for now in this domain, and it's really good to know how the information has been percolated down to the industry stakeholders, which was quite impressive. And so yeah, that's how I know GPC and I was quite confident about it.
Okay, thank you, thank you. That's really good to know. So, there are a few questions. Looking back at ACF 2025, what do you believe was the most significant takeaway or message from this year's discussion?
Okay, so I had recently also attended a webinar which was organized wherein we were also discussing about how the chemical regulation is going to come in India, and it's still in the draft stage, and how we are putting in efforts to also hear the stakeholders' voice. So I was also today, Dr. Shirish shared like how the opinions or votes or thoughts from the stakeholders have been taken, and in tomorrow's discussion, panel discussion, there would be discussions around it. And it's that's where we are going to also learn or hear out the industry experts answering to those questions. So that is the key point where I feel that we are really trying to understand the pulse of the stakeholders, and from there we are going to bring in that impact into the policies that are going to soon come in India with regards to chemicals.
Okay, okay, that's nice. So, which session or masterclass resonated most with you and why?
Okay, for sure, Dr. Nair, because again, that was from GPC side, and I have attended the earlier webinars as I mentioned. So, GPC has always been very accurate in the way they communicate the information and they bring the flavors to the table. I mean, I really understand how big the regulations and how comprehensive they are. So, to put that in a table is really a difficult job, and that is what he did, and it was quite engaging as well. So that is what I really loved, and that is the area, like he covered most of the Asian countries which I am going to work on. So that is what I really liked about it. So that was the session which was the key session which I liked the most.
So, you got the insight on something that you're already working on.
Yeah, true.
So, the next question I want to ask is policymakers. One question. Oh, just one minute.
No worries, we caught this part as well.
This one, right?
Last, I believe, right?
Policymakers वाला था कहीं. Okay. I couldn't find it.
What advice will you give to policymakers,
Yes, okay,
industry
okay, okay.
leaders, or
So, what advice would you give to the policymakers, industry leaders, or young professional inspired by the discussion of ACF 2025?
Okay, so while I have been into this domain for a year now, what I see is that there is no much discussions around the policies with regards to chemical management. We have been hearing for more than 3 years now that the regulation is in draft. So we need to be quite vocal about this. There should be a lot of discussion and voice around this policies. There should be transparency. There should be good connect with the policy makers so that the industry stakeholders can really connect. And I believe such events are really going to help us in building those gaps. And we should be working more into this so that we can really work together and help building this policies that would really define the entire chemical industry in India.
yes.
So this is what I strongly believe, and I feel that we should be taking away from here.
Okay. That's really nice hearing your thoughts. Thank you for
Thank
coming.
you so
Yes.
much.
Yeah.